Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, today we're gonna be installing some test pipes on a G37 Sedan, which is my boy's. He bought it like a couple weeks ago. I went with him to buy it. He bought a Sport Sedan 20, I think it's a 2013. It's pretty clean. He's about to pull up, so I'm gonna help him do that. Here's the Nismo, by the way. I do gotta show you guys a little something right now. Also, I put the reflective tape the other day, but either way I'm gonna have to remove it because I bought the extension I talked about a few videos ago. So it's like a 3-inch extension, so that's gonna make the Tommy just sit back a little further and it'll look way better, because right now the Tommy looks like it's just hidden. Let me show you guys the Tommy, my bad, the white pipe. Picked it up I think 2 days ago. Z1. I really wanted a Tommy, but yeah, I ain't paying no 800 bucks for a white pipe. That's crazy. The Tommy itself is 1,000 and they're gonna be waxing 800 for a white pipe. I don't think so. If I find a used one, sure, but as of now, Z1 will do. Yeah, guys, she's been riding great. Hopefully, next week I'll take her to Mexico with the white pipe. It's still stock intakes, so still slow and heavy. I'm gonna give her a little wash this weekend. So yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for my boy to pull up, and once he pulls up, I'll show you guys. He's pulling up. Yes sir. Clean that Sedan. Yes sir. Got this knocked out real quick. With my boy. 2013 Sedan. Shit clean as fuck. We got the old ass eBay test pads over here, bro. Dunzos, bro. Where's the crack at? Oh, right here. These had a crack. Yeah, Circuit Works. I told you it was a good brand.
Resonated.
Look at those welds. Pretty good welds. I'm gonna slap these things on.
Show you guys a before and after.
Yup. Alright, so we got them test pipes on. My bad, I mean resonate test pipes. I'm just mocking up all the bolts right now. My boy over there chilling. You feel me? Got the gaskets, brand new gaskets, brand new bolts. Show you guys the other side. So these are pretty good quality. Look at those welds. You can tell by the welds they're pretty good quality. Lines up perfect as it should. Got the O2 sensors on, just gotta tighten them up a bit. And we'll give you guys a little cold startup. And a little cold startup of the Z. And then we're gonna take it on a test drive. We got the test pipes on, everything's bolted up, everything's tight and snug. He helped me out with the top bolt just cause on these resonated test pipes, there's threads on the hose, which I regularly don't see, but I guess that's a little better. Yeah, but they give you guys a little cold startup. Good. These are Circuit Works, 200 bucks. You're getting a good deal and a pretty good brand. I heard good things about this brand, so yeah. We're gonna give you guys a some revs right here. These are DC headers, Circuit Work resonant test pipe, and stock exhaust. Stock white pipe, stock cat pack. Yeah. All you need to get is an exhaust. Using the Werkz. clean sedan. I installed the EPS PCVD for him a couple weeks ago. Makes that engine bay, yeah, makes that engine bay look a little cleaner. Yes, sir.
Intake's coming soon. Full exhaust.
Full exhaust, some wheels. Here you got coilovers. Even though it looks good, here you got coilovers on. It looks good though. We're gonna drop it down now.
Back a little bit.
Yeah.
For half an inch. Oh yeah. I already hear it.
Yeah. Taking the car for a little test drive.
The rasp is gone. Circuit Werkz, they did what they were supposed to do with the resonators. The rasp is gone.
And like I said, those other test pipes were leaking, so good thing got rid of those.
Rasp is gone.
And go all the way straight. And that shit in the back is long. Yeah.
Rasp is gone. You hear me, my nigga?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Rasp is gone.
Yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah.
You gotta hear it around 80 miles per hour though, brother.
Nah, I heard a little bit.
I don't know why it doesn't do it.
Hey, whoever wants some run with a sedan, pretty much stock, let me know. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for that video. It wasn't really an install video, you know, just shooting some content with my boy. Showing you guys also the circuit work test pipes. I heard they're a good brand. They also sell a resonated white pipe for a pretty good price. So I'll explain next video why the car's jacked up. As I said, I did buy a white pipe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.